Hello, welcome to Persian with Mahtab. Today I want to teach you another very beautiful Persian sound, j. J has two other brothers, re and ze, that I have taught before. If you haven't seen, go back and see those videos. j is only child. Here, only no, j اول j آخر, no, only child. It can come at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of the word. See, at the beginning of the word jacket, you see, we have j in the initial position. Gele, again, in the initial position. But see the word moje. Moje is eyelash, as you see in the picture. Moje, you see j connected to me, to the previous sound, and come in the middle position. Again, in magique, you see j here, not connected to the previous sound, and beige connected to the b sound in the previous sound. Let's see how do we write b. B is written exactly like re and ze, but three very beautiful dots above its head. J. J can take the hand of the previous sound, but not the next. It never connects to the next sound. You see, in beige, he took the sound of the B. Now, let's go to our table of friendship and make friendship between J and our vowel sound to see what other words we can write with J. This is our table of friendship. We have learned the vowel sounds A, U, O, I, E. And we should make friendship between J and A, J and A, and all these to make new words in Persian. J and A, ja. Let's write it bigger that you can see. J and A, ja. Ja, you see the word jacket. See, ja. Okay, you write this, then write T, and write this for K sound. Jacket. J and A, ja. J and U, jou. J and O, jo. And J. J and G. And we have for G the word magique. We have the word magique. Look the way I write. Ma. E, then write K, return back, and write dots for E. Magique. And with A we have gelé, moje, two words actually. Gelé, you see, we have je. Je can make friendship only with this A and je آخر. Je مثل like gelé, and J, this A, like, I write it here, the word moje. Moje. Gelé and moje. And now, bring your Persian notebook to give you your homework. Now your homework. Write one line, J. J. One line, write jacket. Jacket. By the way, jacket is a loan word. jacket. One line, gilet. One line, مژه. And one line, beige. You see, first we write the tooth for B, then write the J, return back, write the dot for B and the dots for J. This was the J. And by the way, subscribe for more videos and return back and review the previous videos that you haven't seen. See you.